The trial of Honolulu's former police chief and his wife, a former deputy prosecutor, is set to begin with jury selection tomorrow. It's one of the state's most high-profile cases, so how does that affect jury selection? Sarah Madison spoke with a law expert and joins us with more. Sarah?
Kathy, UH law professor Ken Lawson tells us that it doesn't matter if people called to jury duty have watched the news and followed the investigations into the Kealohas. They could still be selected as jurors if they can give the defendants a fair trial.
Jury selection for the Kealohas and 3 Honolulu police officers is scheduled for Monday at the Blaisdell Center. One of the challenges for such a high-profile case is getting a fair and impartial jury.
It's going to take a few days, I would imagine, because, again, you still got 5 lawyers on one side and the prosecution, so each lawyer gets a chance to talk to each individual juror.
UH law professor Ken Lawson tells us even if a person has heard about the Kealoha investigation or watched the news, he or she could still be a juror.
I think a lot of times the public is confused based on, if there's a lot of publicity, you can't get a fair trial, and that's not the test. The test really is, in spite of what you heard, right, can you set that aside and still get a defendant a fair trial, presume them innocent until all the evidence is in. If a juror says that, yes, I can do that under oath, then they can sit.
The interview process will weed out those who cannot be objective. But even then, the attorneys still have the power to reject jurors without having to give a reason.
Right now you have 5 defendants that's going to trial, so there are going to be a number of peremptory challenges that they can use, which means that they can kick off a lot of jurors, right? Along with the prosecution. So you need a good number of the jury pool to make sure you don't run out of jurors.
The jury pool is large with more than 400 people expected. Monday morning at 8:30 is when the prospective jurors will start to arrive.
So what about the daily and monthly users of the parking garage? We're told they'll be directed to the upper levels, so there should be plenty of parking. But other drivers should avoid the King Street entrance of the Blaisdell.
On Tuesday, the attorneys for both sides will start eliminating and put together a list of prospective jurors.
The process could take more than a week, and Thursday is an off day. Stay with KHON2 News as we continue our coverage on this case, both online and on air. Kathy, back to you.